Hello, good morning. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Good morning. Of course. How can I help you today? I am staying here at the hotel, and today I want to visit the Statue of Liberty. Oh, that's wonderful. It's a very famous place. Many people like to visit it. Yes. It's my first time in New York, so I don't know how to go there. No problem at all. Let me explain slowly. First, you need to go to the ferry. Oh, okay. Where is the ferry? The ferry is at Battery Park. It's in the south of the city. I see. And how can I go to Battery Park? You can go by metro. It's easy and fast. Okay. Which metro line do I take? Let me think. You can take the Green Line and stop at Bowling Green Station. Oh, Bowling Green Station. Is it far from the ferry? No, not far. You can walk for about 5 minutes. That sounds easy. And the ferry ticket? Where do I buy it? You can buy the ticket online, or you can buy it at Battery Park. Okay. And how long is the ferry ride? Let me think. It's about 15 minutes. Oh, that's not long. Can I take photos there? Yes, of course. You can take many photos. The view is very beautiful. That sounds great. Do many people go there every day? Yes, it's very popular, so I recommend going early. Oh, I understand. Early in the morning is better. Yes, exactly. Do you need a map or directions? Yes, please. A map would help me a lot. Of course. Here is a map. I marked the metro and the ferry. Thank you very much. You are very kind. You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your visit to the Statue of Liberty. Thank you. I'm very excited to go there. Hello, excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Hello. Of course. How can I help you?
I want to go to Battery Park. I am going to the Statue of Liberty.
Oh, very nice. Many people go there. Let me think.
Okay. This is my first time using the metro here.
No problem. It's very easy. You need to take the Green Line.
The Green Line. Okay.
Yes, you go to Bowling Green Station.
Bowling Green Station. Is it far?
No, it's not far. About 15 minutes.
Oh, that's good. Do I need to change trains?
No, you can stay on the same train.
Great. And where do I wait for the train?
You wait on platform 2. The train will arrive soon.
Okay. Thank you for explaining slowly.
You're welcome. Do you have a Metro card?
Yes, I bought it at the machine.
Perfect. You can use it at the gate.
Okay, one more question.
Yes, go ahead.
How do I know when to get off the train?
Good question. You will hear the station name, and you can also look at the screen.
Oh, okay. That helps a lot.
Yes, Battery Park is very popular. Many people get off at Bowling Green.
That's good. I can follow the people.
Yes, exactly. That's a good idea.
Thank you very much. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip and have fun at the Statue of Liberty.
Thank you. I'm very excited. Hello. Good morning. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Good morning. Of course. How can I help you today?
I would like to buy a ticket for the ferry. I want to visit the Statue of Liberty.
Oh, great. It's a very popular place. Many people visit it every day.
Yes. It's my first time here, so I have some questions.
No problem at all. Take your time.
How much is the ticket?
Let me think. The ticket is $25.
Oh, okay. Does the ticket include the island?
Yes, it includes Liberty Island and Ellis Island, too.
Oh, that's nice. How long is the ferry ride?
About 15 minutes to Liberty Island.
Okay. Can I take photos on the ferry?
Yes, of course. Many people take photos. The view is very beautiful.
That sounds great. Is the ferry very crowded today?
A little, but it's okay. The next ferry arrives soon.
Okay. I would like one ticket, please.
Sure. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I will pay by card.
No problem. Please insert your card here.
Okay. One moment.
Take your time.
Done.
Perfect. The payment is approved. Here is your ticket.
Thank you very much. Where do I go now?
You go to line 3 and wait for the ferry.
Okay. What time does it leave?
It leaves in 10 minutes.
Oh, that's soon. Thank you for all the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit to the Statue of Liberty.
Thank you.
I'm very happy and excited.
Hello. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Hello. Yes, it is free. You can sit here.
Thank you. This is my first time on this ferry.
Oh, really? That's nice. Many people enjoy this trip.
Yes. The view is very beautiful. I can see the city.
Yes, and the skyline is very nice from here.
I feel very excited. I am going to see the Statue of Liberty.
That's great. It is a very special place.
How long until we arrive?
Let me think. About 10 minutes.
Oh, okay. Time goes fast.
Yes. You can go outside if you want.
Oh, really? I would like that.
Yes, many people go outside to take photos.
I will take some photos too. The water looks very calm.
Yes, it's a calm day today.
I like calm days. They make me feel relaxed.
Yes, the Statue of Liberty is on the right side.
Oh, I can see it now.
Yes, we are getting close.
Wow. It is very big.
Yes,
Many people are surprised.
I am very happy to be here.
That's nice to hear. We will arrive soon.
Okay. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit on the island.
Thank you. I will. Hello? Excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Hello? Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I am visiting the Statue of Liberty, and I would like a photo.
Oh, sure. No problem at all.
Can you take a photo of me, please?
Yes, of course. Where would you like to stand?
I would like to stand here, with the Statue of Liberty behind me.
That's a great spot. The statue looks very nice from here.
Yes, I am very excited.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Smile, please.
Okay. Smile.
Perfect. One more photo?
Yes, please. Just one more.
Okay. Here we go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Would you like to see the photos?
Yes. Let me see.
Here you go.
Wow. They look very good.
I'm glad you like them.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit to the island.
Thank you. I will.